Hey up everybody, welcome back. If you've been with us before, you'll know who we are. If not, I'm Oliver.
I'm Leanne.
And this little beauty is Ethel.
And this is Ethel. In this week's upload, we wander and explore around Ashbourne, rummage through the charity shops, and fail to bag the famous gingerbread. We also compare and reflect on Oliver's lack of chivalry. Today is Sunday and we have decided to come to Ashbourne to come and have a look round. Neither of us have been here before, so we haven't got a clue what we're going to find.
Or where we're going.
Winding cobbled streets, traditional markets and handsome Tudor and Georgian heritage captured in time amongst the architecture, the market town of Ashbourne was a surprise of a find to us as we explored the hidden walkways, chanced our luck in the thrift stores and delved into the history entwined in the town that has more than 200 listed buildings. Any look, Oliver?
No, saw a nice shirt, but it was right expensive.
The town is a perfect base for ramblers exploring the spectacular landscape of the southern White Peaks. So right across the road from us is the famous Ashbourne bakery where the original recipe for Ashbourne gingerbread was created. Lo and behold, it's closed for us, so we can't taste it, but if you come here, make sure you check it out because it's basically gorgeous. Fame for the town is not only in its gingerbread. Guinness World Records have been made at the Royal Greenman Inn for the longest sign in the entire world. We also found the Grade 1 listed building of the old grammar school and a beautiful parish church with a striking spire that soars 212 feet. So we haven't planned anything in Ashbourne, we've just headed here just for a day. We've been around some charity shops and there's some cute, quaint little streets to walk around. And then we've ended up in this really cool park.
Yeah, it's nice in here. It's gorgeous actually. There's a massive memorial on the way, which is class. There's statues and all sorts. So yeah, it's quite cool.
So we're going to have a little wander. Discussed with local residents and with funding from the Big Lottery Fund, Derbyshire Council has proudly created Ashbourne's recreational ground and the relaxing memorial gardens that are dedicated to those who died for their country. The gardens include a statue commemorating the life of Catherine Booth, co-founder of the Salvation Army and born in Ashbourne, along with a striking and dramatic entrance stone gateway, a picturesque bandstand in the heart of the gardens, an array of wildlife trees and colourful flower beds set amongst a babbling brook with storybook wooden bridges to stroll across. So we have wandered across the road into Co-op car park trying to find Ashbourne as town centre, and we've just come across this, which is just a set of steps, isn't it?
Yeah.
So tell them what it is. We've just read.
Basically, on Shrove Tuesday, I don't really know what this is. Explain it to me.
So on Shrove Tuesday, this is the point where who's thrown the ball up?
Prince of Wales.
Threw the ball up to start a big, massive game of, what was started off as football that used to happen between different towns. Everybody used to get involved, and as it appears, this is the point where it started. And it's just randomly in a car park. How weird. As we're walking along this road, it brought me to remember something that the Babbling Brooks put on their post. So, the road is there, I'm walking here, and Oliver is on the outside.
Protecting it now.
Please, can you tell me how you've trained him to be such a gent? Because I am failing miserably.
I don't want to get wet.
In true Travels of Ethel style, we choose to come to Ashbourne on a day where everything is closed. However, there is some absolutely amazing shops around here. There's a vintage one over the road, if you can find it, that we really want to go in. a wander around Ashbourne. Oliver's just nipped in to grab us a coffee.
There's a little treat because they had some right goodies in there. So I've got us, this is some sort of caramel brownie look. And then also I've got us a jam and cream scone.
Whoa!
It all looks lovely at this place, except look how little that is. Tiny little coffee. So I've just looked at my coffee now to make sure, because Leanne's got a hot chocolate. And look at this. It's a tiny little cup of coffee, but it's all froth. There's actually no in it.
Half a cup.
Oh, that is chocolatey goodness, that. It's very nice.
I'm not kidding, this is horrendous. Just so you can see, I've got muggy fingers, but like literally half the cup is froth. Like I can stick my finger in and oh, just it. Actual hot chocolate. So that's us done for today in Ashbourne. We've really enjoyed it. It's quite a gorgeous little place to visit. If you've enjoyed travelling around with us, please subscribe, ring the notification bell so you can keep up to date with where we're travelling, and please leave us a like and a comment and let us know what you think.